Happy Mother's Day to all mothers there out. A big shout to you all. You guys are amazing. We can never thank you enough for the things you do and have been doing. The sacrifices you make and have been making for us. It's irreplaceable. Motherhood is hard. Being a mother requires a great deal of commitment, selflessness, and unconditional love. Always remember that motherhood wouldn't have been possible without the Lord. Therefore, the role of a mother is both a blessing and a major responsibility. The Word of God strongly emphasizes in raising children and blessing the household. But it also emphasizes what we as a children should do. In Ephesians 6 1 2 3, Paul writes, "Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right. Honor your father and mother, which is the first commandment with the promise, so that it may go well with you and you may enjoy long life on the earth." Everything and everyone comes before mom. The Lord wants us to remember the teaching of our mother and always carry that wisdom with us. Not just for one fleeting day, but every day throughout our lives. Do not forget your mother when you find love in your wife. Never forget, your wife will also be a mother someday. Therefore, a mother who lives well and raises her children well will be celebrated and will be rewarded. Undoubtedly, mothers deserve to be celebrated because they are always putting us ahead of them. Well, Mother's Day is a great opportunity to stop and reflect on every hard work our mother does for us. Well, reflecting on the things my mother did and still does for me is really overwhelming. She goes an extra mile just for us. At this time, I am reminded of a mother from the Bible. Her name was Hannah, mother of Samuel. We get to learn from her story how powerful, strong, faithful, and powerful life she led. Being a barren all these years, she didn't give up on the Lord and waited for His will to be fulfilled in her life. And just as God promised, she was blessed with a baby boy, whom she selflessly devoted to the Lord for His work. At this point of time, I feel such a strong woman she must have been. She was barren, and after years of waiting, when she had a child that also she gave to be used for God's glory. How does that happen? Hannah's resilience was not born out of victory, but out of waiting unto the Lord and trusting Him. A mother is someone who nurtures us, prays over us, worries about us, guides us, and protects us in every pursuit. Now, as I have grown up, I've realized that I don't just feel gratitude for my mother, but admiration. For a mother, raising her child requires a great amount of patience, and we can't even imagine what it takes for a mother to put up with us. All we can do is thank her for hanging in there just for us. Express your gratitude and admiration for your mother. Thank her for being there every day with just the love we need the most. Thank her for making home the happiest place to be. Yet again, a big hug to all the mothers. God bless you all. Happy Mother's Day and stay blessed.